In this tutorial, let's look at acid carbonate reactions. So, as in another tutorial on acid and metal reactions, where an acid's reacted with a metal, in this case, an acid will be reacted with a chemical that contains a carbonate. Let's have a look at what that means. So, in an acid carbonate reaction, we have an acid that's combined with a carbonate, and we'll have a look at that in just a moment. And the general equation predicts that what will be produced is a salt plus water plus a gas called carbon dioxide. So let's look at some examples of this to make sense of it. So in the class you took hydrochloric acid, HCl, and you mixed it with a white powder, a white chemical called magnesium carbonate. Now a carbonate in chemistry is always a CO3 combination. That is a carbon atom and 3 oxygen atoms. So CO3 is what we call a carbonate. And there are many different carbonates. There's magnesium carbonate, there's calcium carbonate, aluminium carbonate, potassium carbonate. There's lots of carbonate chemicals. But in an acid carbonate reaction, an acid, hydrochloric acid, mixed in this case with magnesium carbonate, will make a salt. In this case, magnesium chloride. So the magnesium has recombined with the chlorine to make magnesium chloride, plus water, H2O. So one of the oxygens has come from the carbonate, hydrogen from the hydrochloric acid, plus carbon dioxide gas, which is CO2. So the carbon and the remaining 2 oxygens come out of the carbonate to make carbon dioxide. So you can see how this fits the general formula. So an acid plus a carbonate makes a salt, in this case magnesium chloride, plus water, plus carbon dioxide gas. And you would have seen this as bubbles in the reaction, bubbles of gas, in this case carbon dioxide gas.